Hey guys, I received my Simon Says Stamp card kit the other day, and it's for July, and so I wanted to share the contents. I was kind of on the fence with this one. Let me get it out of its box. And I thought about it for a while, and before I decided to go ahead and get it. But I thought it might kind of push me outside my box that I'm normally in. So, and it had a couple of things that I was interested in trying. So let's take a look if I can get it out of the bag. There we go. So it's called You Shine. I'm not sure why, but it comes with a couple of things that I've never tried before. So as usual, they give you little cards for inspiration. You can see it's got some lemons and some bugs. So it comes with a 6x8 clear stamp set, a new little tiny emboss and cut folder, which I'll be showing you, 12 sheets of vintage lemon twist paper. And then what's interesting that I haven't had was this foundry wax, and I'll get into that in a minute. So it comes with some very bright yellow paper. This one is called, oh look, bright yellow. I would have never guessed. Some Nina Solar White, and matte gold, 90-pound matte gold, which is a very pretty. So it comes with those three, and then a block envelope. I'm still not sure why they send 1 or 2 envelopes. I guess so that you can test them and then maybe order them. I don't know. Coupon off. That's always good. So here's the cut and emboss folder. Just a tiny little thing, but it's cute. It's called Flower Garden. And I was thinking that somebody had used it in one of these, but no, they hadn't. So, so it's kind of cute. Got a little butterfly and stuff. And let's do the paper next. So the paper is 6x8. This one says Life is Good. It's got the yellow and white check. This is vintage lemon soda singers. Pretty. I love that butterfly there. This one's similar, but it has the like turquoise background. And then it's got a kind of gingham check. Soak Up the Sunshine. Very vintage looking. Black with the white dots. This one's real pretty with the butterflies and the flowers. Love that color. Be sweet, be kind. Bees, you know they're not my favorite thing. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Pretty again. Little lemons. Lemons on lemon paper. Little black and white flowers. Oh, I love this color. bees again. The yellow and the blue. And not sure. Looks like there's a bug on there somewhere though. All right, these are cute. You bring the zest, enjoy the good, you shine, squeeze the day. That's cute. Black and white check. Life is good, be kind. Sweet life, squeeze the day. And then yellow. So those are cute. And then the stamp set has the same theme with the lemons, the butterflies, the bees, little flower box. You make life sweet, you shine. Happy birthday, you're sweet. Hello. When life gives you lemons. I love how you make lemonade. So those are cute. So it comes with a paintbrush and these window frames from Tim Holtz, along with gilded foundry wax. So I'm late to the party as usual. Let's see if I can. There you go. You can see that better. Foundry wax, I think, came out like in February, March, and there's 6 different colors. And so they've given you all these frames that you can either use as is or use the foundry wax on. So here's some of the frames. This one's got a little foundry wax on the edges. This one's got a little foundry wax on the paper. So from what I can gather, and we're going to give it a little play, foundry wax is kind of like gilding wax, you know, that you put on with your finger, but it actually has metal in it. And it changes when it's heated, which that doesn't happen with gilding wax. It says, shake the bottle until the mixing bowl rattles. Pigments and the pigments mix. Apply drops of wax to a craft sheet. Apply directly to surface using a dry paintbrush. Heat with a heat tool to transform the finish. Use in a well-ventilated area. So, we're going to give it a try and see. So, I can hear the ball mixing. Now, even though it's in a bottle similar to alcohol inks, it does have a larger hole. I'm just going to apply some here and then spread it out with the brush so that we can see what happens when you apply heat. It dries super, super fast. So you've got to work really fast with it. And my air conditioner was just on, so I'm sure it made it even. Yeah, see how it just dries, and now it's like chalky. So from what I understand, if you do not heat it up and melt it, it will turn chalky, and then it will just flake off and you won't have anything. So it's super important that you remember, whether you're using a brush, whether you're using your finger, that you heat it. So let's give let's give this a try. I'm going to put it on low. And then hopefully you'll be able to see it change once it gets hot enough. There we go. And you see it melting. All right, so once it melts, you see it got brighter. In case you couldn't hear me. Once it melted, it got brighter. Yeah. So let me put a little bit next to it, if we can see the difference. So it comes in this gilded, it comes in like a coppery color. I can't remember what it's called, and silver. All right, so you can see the difference in how shiny it is when it's been melted and dried, as opposed to when you just put it on. And boy, it does dry fast. You gotta move really fast. All right, so let's heat set it again. Goes really fast, much quicker than embossing powder. So I don't know. I like the frames, and I'm gonna try some of this on the frames. And see how it looks. Try it on different surfaces. I have gilding wax, but I don't use it all the time. And I know you can use this on your finger also, but you have to be very careful with it and wash your hands really good because of what it's made out of. And it also says that you need a well-ventilated area. So, all right, so that's it. Smooth. I don't know if I can get it to do it, but I saw a video where they were, tapping. I don't know if I put it on the brush, if I could get it to splatter. Let me see. Nope. Nope, I can't get it to splatter. Anyways, it wants to dry immediately. Look, it wants to dry immediately. Maybe it's better to use somewhere where it's warmer so it doesn't dry so quick. All right, well, I'll have to figure that out. So you can, I don't know if you can see over here, but it's turning into just a little bit that I got over here. is just turning into powder. So, it's an interesting medium, for sure. All right, so that's it. July You Shine card kit. Jury's out. We shall see. So, all right, that's it. So, thanks for watching. If you subscribe, thank you so much. If you're thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button and the little bell, and the bell will give you notifications when there's a new video. I appreciate any time that you spend on my channel. If you've tried the Foundry Wax, let me know in comments. Let me know how you like it and how you use it. You know, the best way that you found of using it, and keeping it so it doesn't dry so fast. So it could be that it's just too warm in here. I don't know. But let me know in comments. All right, so that's it for this time. Until the next one, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.